Hi, good people. Nice to meet you again. Today, Balloon Kids 2 channel will show you how to make a beautiful face with balloon twists. So let's prepare the balloon. Okay, so for the first two pieces of balloon, we tie together and start make a small pin twist. Another one more. So this is will be for the mouth. Alright, I did. Continue with the four fingers bubble. Next with the small pin twist. We are going to preparing for the head. Alright, so far everyone, you will get the shape of the beautiful face with this balloon if you are stay tuned and just pay your attention to the details of the balloon twisting. Still with the fingers bubble, so the double side of the fingers bubble, it is will be around 3 fingers. So just stay tuned here, then you will get the details how to make beautiful face with balloon twisting. Okay, one piece of a small balloon, that's for the body, and we can say it as well for the stomach. Then we wrap the small balloon. Continue with the loop twisting. Alright, we get 2 pieces of loop twisting. That's for the tail, and for the rest of the balloon, we can discard. Then don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay, so this is for the face, and for the next, prepare the balloon for 2 pieces, or maybe one is enough, but you can inflate twice or just make it to be 2 pieces. We need 2 of a small loop twisting. The size is around 3 fingers. And now we twist that into the face. Okay, let's see. So this is will be below of the, we can say that next to the neck. We twist that one by one. Just tight, like you see. All right. Another one more. We twist that one by one. And after that, we can adjust for the position. Yeah, so this is the beautiful face with the balloon twist. For the last, we need a small pinch twist, 2 pieces. We can use black color. That's for the eyes. Okay, we tie it into the head. Another one more. Do it the same size and make it. Okay, we twist that. Okay, just make it tidy after we tie the balloon. Okay, so this is the beautiful face with the balloon. I hope you get your face and this is that you can enjoy with your friends or maybe brother or sisters. Beautiful, right? It's like the real one, a fat and a big face. Okay, for everyone, thank you to join us. Don't forget to support my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. For the next day, we will show you with another twisting. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, or maybe you can share to your friends to get more support to growing up my channel. Okay, we'll see you again and thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.